I'm your teacher, biology teacher Sagheer. Okay, and today we are going to discuss how the general test for carbohydrates and the specific test for monosaccharides, particularly glucose, are carried out. Okay, so here is what if you have to detect glucose in a given solution, you have to draw this table first. Okay, then you would write first of all the general test for carbohydrate. The first general test is what heat test. Heat test. Okay, you have to take 5 ml of original solution or the given solution, and you have to heat it. If no reaction takes place, it means either lipid or carbohydrate or even simple water could be present in that very solution. But proteins are absent. Absolutely, proteins are absent. Okay, when the proteins are heated, PPT are formed. Okay, so if no reaction takes place, it means what? Proteins are absent. Carbohydrate may or may not be present. Next test is carried out. What? That is molich test. I told you people inside the lecture. The molich test is given the name after Hans Molich, who was an Austrian biologist. Okay, you have to take 3 ml of original solution and 5 drops of alpha-naphthol. You have to mix it. After mixing it, 3 ml of concentrated H2SO4 from the side of the test tube are put into the test tube. From the side means if this is test tube, that very test tube which you are using to carry out the test, you have to put the solution from this side after tilting it, not like this. The position of the test tube should be like this. And you will see after rotating in your palm, after rotating gently in your palm, you will see the ring, purple ring will be formed. Okay, you can see that purple ring in certain videos in my lectures. Okay, in this study channel. If this ring is formed, then carbohydrates are informed in that very solution. These are the general tests. Now, if you have to test glucose, then you have to carry out the specific test for glucose. The first, you can carry out the Cole's test, or Benedict test, or filling test. So here, I'm going to write here 2 tests only for you due to the time limit. Okay, 5 ml of original solution. And you have to take 5 to 7 drops of what? Benedict solution. After taking that, you have to heat it. Okay? You have to heat it. Okay? After heating, you will find the change in the colors. First, it would turn green, and then yellow, and then brick red. Okay? If you allow it for some time standing in the test tube stand, what will happen? The PPT would be shown here at the end. Filling tests are also used for what? Testing the presence of what? Glucose in a given solution. You have to take 3 ml of original solution and equal volume of what? Filling solution. Okay? Original solution, is what? Given solution. Like this. After heating, the same result is shown. Okay, that would confirm what? Presence of glucose in the given solution, and you would write the conclusion here. What? Glucose confirm. Glucose confirm. Okay, here again glucose confirm. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, you will share to your loved ones.